If you want healthy plants that are going to flower prolifically this year, then why not give your garden a boost with Richard Jackson's Flower Power? This professionally formulated plant food contains high levels of nitrogen and phosphates, which is really important for creating strong leaves and developing strong roots. And crucially, Richard Jackson's Flower Power contains extra high potash, which is essential for creating fruits and flowers. Richard Jackson's Flower Power is super concentrated and super potent, and its NPKs are 12, 12, 36, and that is why your flowers are going to excel. It also contains seaweed and humic acid, and it contains a lot of trace elements too, like boron, copper and zinc. These biostimulants are really important to help improve the plant's resilience against environmental stresses and pests and diseases, so it's going to keep your plants healthy. It also contains a wetting agent that retains 80% more water, so it's super important for if you're planting in pots that can dry out really quickly, and also as our summers become increasingly drier. This is a super concentrated formula, which means a little goes a long way. In fact, this 1.5 kilogram tub is going to make up to 300 watering cans of feed. This plant food is like rocket fuel for your plants. So if you want a kaleidoscope of colours and healthy, large plants all summer, then why don't you give Richard Jackson's Flower Power plant food a try?